formal introduction and
Okay.
say hi and
Sure.
that sort of thing, and we'll get into it. Whenever you guys are ready.
Okay.
Giselle, welcome to our GRAPH EXPO and myprintresource.com.
Thanks, Roger. I'm happy to be here.
Well, how's the show going?
It's actually a great show for us.
Has it been very successful so far?
It's been very successful. You know, we're very pleased with the traffic. We've had, our sales activity here at the show has been very good. We had a fantastic Drupa back in May, and we're happy to see a lot of that success being translated here stateside.
Well, you brought a couple of samples with you, and please show them off. I'm very intrigued by the finish of them.
Oh, sure. Well, what I'm showing here is I'm actually showing a couple of samples from our Jet Varnish 3D. It's an inkjet spot UV coater. So what we have here is spot UV coating on digital or offset substrate. So basically we're laying down different areas to highlight on here. It's a totally digital process, so you have no plates, no screens, no make ready. You can have one sheet, you can have thousands. That's the beauty of it. And so one of the new capabilities that we're showing here, because the Jet Varnish has actually been out since Drupa 2008, we're showing new 3D effects capabilities. So basically
that result is really stunning.
It really is. It's beautiful because you can actually feel the finish, here on the shoe and here on the snake. It really will take your brand to a new level and provide a new experience for the person who's looking at the print. So what we're showing here is actually a B2 offset size sheet, because the maximum format of the machine is actually 20 by 42. But what's new here also is that we're printing directly onto digital prints as well. This is a print off of our Moriniere digital press, without no lamination, no coating, directly onto it. You can see here that you can feel, you can feel the Heineken bottle. So it's really, it's really great.
If it were cold and wet.
Exactly, yeah. And that's what everyone just sort of wants to reach out and touch it.
Of all the products you're showing here, which one is really standing out for your customer base?
Oh, well, definitely the Jet Varnish 3D is our highlight product here. It was definitely the star of our show at Drupa, and we're happy to bring that here, and it's been just as popular here in the United States. So we're also, we have a new Moriniere digital press as well, so we're excited about that.
Is all of this a result of digital coming into the marketplace?
It definitely is. That's all we do here at MGI. We do digital printing and finishing technologies, and we take digital printing and finishing and add capabilities to it that really aren't done with any other digital device. So we're always doing things that are very different in sort of thinking outside the box, like the Jet Varnish 3D and like our Moriniere series of digital presses.
What do you look at as the future of this? Just getting more of it and becoming more refined at what you do?
Well, adding capabilities to it. All of our technology is very scalable. So adding capabilities to the Jet Varnish, new Moriniers, new capabilities for our Moriniere digital presses, new different substrates and sizes, and it's...
So do you think it'll be ever possible that this might be cold and wet, besides being rough?
Well, I don't know. We have another Drupa in 4 years, so who knows what we can come up with by then.
You'll never know.
You never know.
It's really stunning and amazing what's happening in the industry. Mm-hmm. Well, much success.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. Thanks for the opportunity.
Happy to meet you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Giselle.